How often you should have your car detailed depends on a number of factors: how often you drive your car, where you live, the type of car you have, your personal preferences. If you drive your car frequently, live in a dusty or dirty environment, or have a car with a delicate paint finish, you may need to have it detailed more often. Most experts recommend having your car detailed at least twice a year, or every 3 to 6 months. Here are some general guidelines. Personal preference. Some people prefer to have their cars detailed more frequently because they enjoy the look and feel of a freshly detailed car. Others may be satisfied with less frequent detailing. Budget. Detailing can be costly, especially if you opt for a comprehensive service. Your budget will play a significant role in determining how often you can afford to have your car detailed. Usage. Consider how often you use your car and the conditions it's exposed to. If you use your car daily and it's exposed to harsh elements or tough conditions, more frequent detailing may be necessary to maintain its appearance. Type of detailing. There are different levels of detailing, from a basic wash and wax to more intensive interior and exterior cleaning. The type of detailing you choose will also impact how often you need it. Here are some specific guidelines. If you drive your car less than 5,000 miles per year and live in a mild climate, you may be able to get away with having your car detailed once a year. If you drive your car 5,000 to 10,000 miles per year and live in a moderate climate, you should have your car detailed twice a year. If you drive your car more than 10,000 miles per year or live in a harsh climate, you should have your car detailed 3 or more times per year. Here are some additional tips for determining how often to detail your car. If your car is frequently exposed to dirt, dust, pollen, or other contaminants, you may need to have it detailed more often. If your car is frequently parked outdoors, you may need to have it detailed more often to protect the paint from the sun's harmful UV rays. If your car has a light-colored paint finish, you may need to have it detailed more often to keep it looking its best. If you are planning to sell your car in the near future, you may want to have it detailed before putting it on the market. Ultimately, the best way to determine how often to detail your car is to assess its condition and your own needs. If you are unsure, you can always consult with a professional car detailer. It's important to note that regular washing and maintenance, such as keeping your car clean, protecting the paint, and addressing minor issues promptly, can help extend the time between full detailing sessions. Additionally, following the manufacturer's recommended maintenance schedule for your car is essential to keeping it in good condition. In summary, the frequency of car detailing varies from person to person and depends on several factors. Assess your car's needs, your preferences, and your budget to determine how often you should have it detailed.